Have some Sharp air conditioners, ductless units, or inverters at a air conditioner school place. So let's turn it on. Turn it on just like that. Oh, it'll just open. Then the fan spins. Oh, there we go. Turned on. It makes a noise when it's on. Okay. Yeah, this one turned on. And this one turned on. Now what about this one? What's that noise? Yeah, it's just powered on. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so right here is a Daikin. And that one is an LG. So, so laggy. Okay. There's so many stuff that is just realistic. Can't turn it on. How can I do this if I can't turn it on? Oh, wait a minute. That turns it on. It's gonna turn on. Oh my god. It's gonna run. Wait, it doesn't want to. Oh, there it goes. Oh my god, so laggy because things are realistic and there's too many stuff. Okay. What? 3 of these Mitsubishi kind of stuff? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, what are these thermostats to me? I don't know what they are. Wait, is this the one? Please run. I'm pressing run, but it's not. Oh, wait a minute. That turns it on. Say. Oh, wait. Okay. It turned on. But it's so laggy that it can't. Oh, it's a bit loud. But I don't need to turn it on now. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn it on. Okay. Now let's test out this guy. That's my one for people. Oh god. Things are realistic. And the Mitsubishi is slim. Okay. Makes an interesting noise and power up. Okay, I turn it on. Now what about this guy? Oh, these two. These are both Mitsubishi. And also by the Mr. Slim company. I'll turn them both on. Okay, one on, 2 on, and now we can go to these. Oh, Panasonic, there's so much. How can I do all these? Okay, I don't know where the thermostat is on that. Wait a minute. Okay, I can't see it. Okay, what about this one? Please. It's not good. It's like a furnace. Wait. Oh, there's a power. National. Oh, there it goes. Now what about the Actron L? Oh, okay. No, that's for the national, but where's the? Okay. Not on yet, but oh my god, the noise is so loud. No, that noise is so annoying. So many nationals over here. Wait, there's a thermostat on top of the unit. Wait, that one turned on. What about this one? Okay, can't turn it on. Oh wait. Okay. It turned on. Now what about this one? What about this one? God. Okay, so it is on. And now we can. Oh, it's more over there, but I can't do those because they're just. Because I'm gonna waste the whole video. Oh, okay. There's an L and what? Okay, let's turn it on. Okay. Well, I guess I'm done playing. Bye, guys. It's so loud. Bye, guys.